All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this one, we're going to be talking about refining order blocks, right? Refining supply and demand areas and how to properly do that. So I'm going to keep this really nice, short and simple. And I also want to just notify you that I am holding a webinar on Sunday, December 19th at 2 p.m. EST. It's a 15-pound buy-in. Just get your seat now so you don't have to worry about anything later. Because we're only just a few days out now, and this is a steal. Okay, it's going to be a 2-hour webinar. It's a smart money concept webinar, and we're also going to be going over a trading plan, right? My own personal trading plan, and I'm going to show you how to make one and how to properly implement one on the charts. And we're going to be doing some pretty thorough breakdowns. Okay, so let's get into the video here. This is going to be purely for example purposes, but if you scroll out on AU, we are in a massive downtrend and we're bearish on the higher time frames. Okay, so I'm always looking for those POIs, right? There's nice forms of supply and there's nice forms of demand. Okay, so right here we have a nice 1-hour form, or a nice 1-hour area of demand, and up here we have a nice 1-hour area of supply. Okay, and refining order blocks is actually very easy. Like I said, I'm going to keep this short and simple. The key is to scale in down to lower time frames. Now, what you want to watch is going far too, right? Overcomplicating things and scaling too far down. So what I like to see is a nice body candle with little to zero wick in it, and then a nice candle to the downside. Okay, replicating this area right here. So we have a nice green up close candle, and then we have that big volume down close candle that suggests to us the smart money got involved here. Now, if this is too big, right? If this is too big of an area for you to look at, you just refine, right? You just go down on the lower time frames, and you can keep refining until you find the best POI that fits you, really. Now, this was tapped into, mitigated a little bit on the 45-minute time frame, but nonetheless, we go from the hour to the 45-minute, okay, and our point of interest becomes smaller, okay, elevating our risk to reward. And then if you even go down to the 30-minute, you can shorten up this POI even further to this candle right here. And all in all, we just went down about 15 pips, okay, and that's a lot, okay, and I don't want to go any further than this because this is a nice body candle with a nice down close candle, again, suggesting that smart money got involved. The only thing that's missing is the break in market structure. Okay, if we get a break in market structure here, I'll actually be looking to sell AU around this area. Now, I personally like the 1-hour POI the best. Okay, this is just the clearest to me. Okay, if you go down to we were just on the 30-minute, if you go down to the 15-minute, you're really starting to overcomplicate things. Okay, you have this doji candle here. Let me move this out of the way. This doji candle, that's not what I like to see, right? I just explained to you earlier that I like to see a nice body candle, little to no wick, which we do not have here. So the nice body candle before the big down close move, which we do have on the 1-hour and the 30-minute as well. Okay, so I'll actually be looking at this area to take the market lower. But we do need that break in structure, right? I have another video explaining what validates order blocks and the difference between valid order blocks and invalid order blocks, and how to properly define the two, right? How to identify the two and how to stay away from certain order blocks, and just basically showing you the proper ones to take, right? The right ones to take. So if we do get a break in market structure here, I'll be looking for the market to break down below this low, which will be a confirmed break in market structure. And then I'll be looking for that pullback, right? Something like this to tap into our higher time frame POI, and then another break in structure, suggesting to me that the market does want to take price lower, that smart money is getting involved with a nice area of supply on the lower time frames, say the 5-minute, the 15-minute, or the 1-minute around here, and I'll be looking to get in to take the market significantly lower, because again, we are in a massive downtrend on the 4-hour. As you can see here. All right, so this was just a short little video on how to refine OBs. Guys, my advice to you would just be, please keep it simple. You don't need to overcomplicate things. The more simple you keep it, the more simple you keep your trading plan, your risk plan, and your management plan. when your trades are running and how you're managing them. The more simple you keep it and the more rule-based you keep it, the better off you're going to be, because that's consistency, and consistency is profit. All right. So I hope you were able to gain value out of this. I know there's a lot of confusion within order blocks and smart money concepts and points of interest, so on and so on. And all I'm really trying to do with this channel is just clear that up and help you guys out, and try and do it in the simplest terms as possible. So I hope you were able to gain value. I hope that this cleared the air a little bit, and hopefully you understand how to properly refine an order block. Okay. Until the next video, good luck and good trading.